Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best bread bowl is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own. From kneading dough to proofing and baking, this bowl does it all. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make it a must-have for both novice and experienced bakers. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this amazing bowl, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your baking needs. Number 5. Cook's Choice Breader Bowl, Mess-Free Batter Breading. Tired of messy breading? This innovative bowl is designed to make the process easy and clean. It's the perfect solution for anyone who loves breaded food. Simply pour in your seasonings, add your meat, fish, or veggies, and shake. It provides a perfect coating every time. This station simplifies the entire breading process. Say goodbye to multiple bowls and a mountain of dishes. This product makes breading at home or outdoors a breeze. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Whether it's a party, a family dinner, or a holiday feast, this is the ideal tool. It's great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and any other special meal you're preparing. Made from flexible and durable polypropylene, this product is built to last. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. This product is proudly made in the USA. Get yours today and enjoy perfectly breaded food without the hassle. What we like? This breading station makes breading meats, fish, and veggies a breeze, eliminating the need for multiple bowls. It's an all-in-one solution, perfect for both home and outdoor cooking. If you're looking for a way to simplify your breading process and reduce cleanup, you should definitely consider this. What people say. Although a bit overpriced, this product will simplify breading your chicken, fish, pork chops, or whatever the case may be. It eliminates the mess that is associated with cooking breaded fried foods. It's made solid and will stand up well over time. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. No mess, great job of breading. Leak-proof lid. Number 4. Cuisinart SM50 Stand Mixer, 5.5 quart, white linen. This stand mixer delivers power, precision, and performance. It has a 5.5 quart capacity and a 500-watt motor, making it perfect for various kitchen tasks. With its die-cast metal construction and 12 speeds, it allows for excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. It's designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. It features a polished stainless steel bowl and a tilt-back head. It also includes one power outlet for optional attachments, expanding its versatility. The mixer comes with a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout. An instruction manual and recipe book are also included. Enhance its functionality with optional attachments like a pasta extruder or ice cream maker. It is available in multiple colors, including white linen. This product comes with a limited 3-year warranty. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. It is also BPA-free. What we like? This stand mixer delivers power and precision with its 500-watt motor and 12 speeds. It comes with essential attachments and offers optional ones for various culinary tasks. If you are looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle everything from mixing to kneading, this is a great choice. What people say. The bowl is beautiful and works perfectly with my KitchenAid mixer. The bowl is easy to clean. The bowl is a great addition to my KitchenAid mixer. Number 3. KitchenAid Aqua Sky and Storm Gray Bowl Scraper Set. This set includes a flexible silicone bowl scraper. It conforms to the inside of the bowl for maximum results, perfect for scraping flour, dough, batter, and more. The silicone is also heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Also included is a sturdy nylon pot scraper. This tool can scrape sticky sauces, eggs, and more from any sized pot or saucepan. The nylon is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The bowl scraper features a straight edge. This allows you to easily cut dough into the perfect portion sizes. Cleaning up is a breeze. Both the bowl and pot scrapers are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. This KitchenAid bowl scraper set comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and a lifetime limited warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like? This set includes a flexible silicone bowl scraper and a sturdy nylon pot scraper, both designed for maximum efficiency. They are perfect for scraping flour, dough, batter, and sticky sauces. If you like to keep your kitchen clean and your cooking process efficient, you should consider these. What people say. They're safe for dishwasher use, also meaning heat resistant, cheap and, since they're made by the same company that made my mixer, fit uncannily well in the bowl to scrape the sides. The edge of the scraper is flexible yet sturdy, perfectly contoured to fit the curves of mixing bowls. This design detail makes it incredibly efficient at getting every last bit of mixture out of the bowl, which is not only convenient but also economical. I love that they can be multifunctional as scrapers on skillets, pots, and even in bowls. They're great for even corners. Number 2. KitchenAid K45 SB 4.5 Quart Stainless Steel Bowl. This KitchenAid bowl is designed for various kitchen tasks. You can use it from start to finish. It's a convenient and reliable tool for your cooking needs. Cleaning up is a breeze with this bowl. It's completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Simply load it into the dishwasher after use. The bowl features a polished stainless steel design with a handle for easy use. The handle provides a comfortable grip. It's both stylish and functional. This bowl is designed to make your cooking experience easier. It's perfect for mixing, whisking, and more. It's a great addition to any kitchen. The product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This ensures that you are covered in case of any defects. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This polished stainless steel bowl with a handle is designed for convenience and durability. You can use it for various tasks and easily clean it in the dishwasher. If you have a KitchenAid stand mixer and want a reliable and easy-to-clean bowl, this is a great option. What people say. The handle on the side of the bowl is a genius addition. It makes it easy to grip and pour, so I can transfer batter or dough without any spills. Plus it has a handle for easy holding while scraping. If you're like our gluttonous family, having 2 bowls means that we can make not 1, but 2 bowls of cookies at one go. Or you can make 1 bowl of cookies and a loaf or 2 of bread. Or you can make a cake and a bowl of frosting without having to waste time transferring batter and washing bowls immediately. Number 1. Criss Elite Sourdough Bread Baking Starter Kit. This kit is perfect for baking delicious sourdough bread at home. It includes everything you need to get started, from proofing baskets to scoring lanes. It makes the perfect gift for any baker. The kit includes 2 round 9-inch Banneton baskets, handcrafted from high-quality rattan. Each basket can hold up to 1.5 pounds of dough. You can proof 2 loaves at once or rest one while baking the other. It comes with 2 fitted 100% linen liners that are easy to clean. Also included are a stainless steel bench scraper and a flexible plastic scraper. These tools help you handle the dough with ease. The kit features a precision bread lane with stainless steel blades. It scores dough cleanly up to a 1/4 inch deep. It comes with 5 refill blades and a protective leather cover for safe storage. The entire kit is packed in a craft gift box with a quick start guide. The smooth, splinter-free rattan ensures safe handling. This makes it a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Each basket and accessory is made with care from food-safe materials. If any item arrives damaged or wears out over time, we will make it right. Your baking experience will always be enjoyable. What we like. This sourdough bread baking kit includes 2 Banneton baskets, linen liners, and a scoring lane, everything you need to create beautiful loaves. It's perfect for proofing dough and achieving those perfect spiral designs. If you like baking sourdough bread and want to elevate your results, you should consider this kit. What people say. Each item is quality constructed and performs at peak level. The Banneton bowls are well made, provided with fabric covers or liners, your choice, and do a wonderful job at holding the dough as it proofs before baking. The cutting blade is well designed and allows the baker to slice at an angle that will create beautiful dough ears that allows steam to escape while enhancing the crunch and flavor of each loaf. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.